Now that you have completed your project, there are a few things we can do with it. One, we can send it to iMovie Theater, where it will be viewable from all other accounts attached to that iCloud account. To do this, tap the share square and scroll across the apps until you see the iMovie Theater one. Tap that icon and then it will automatically export it and bring you to iMovie Theater to view it. You can also send to Google Drive, as you can see from this Google Drive icon here. What most students do, and I find teachers find very helpful, is tap Save Video down here at the bottom. Now if I tap this Save Video, it's going to give me choices. Medium, large, HD, HD 1080, and 4K, which is pretty incredible. That's a huge file size. I typically, depending on the use of the video, I will have students do medium, large, or HD 720p. HD 720p is sort of like the largest file that they would save for a portfolio for archiving their work. If it's going to be published on a teacher website, I would choose 360p because you want a smaller file size so it can upload quicker and be streamed more easily. So let's go ahead and do that, medium 360p. And now what it's doing is it's exporting that movie and saving it to your Photos app. That same app that we brought pictures in from, it has now exported the movie to. So to sort of go full circle, let's click on Photos, go to the bottom, and you'll see this little black one where it says 34 seconds.